for a new way to avoid a place where my anger stays at. We're walking in a daze and I'm feeling lost, surrounded by fears that I can't control. Stay back, you don't want to see me now. I'm not so brave and I know we'll let you down. Time will chase us, the words will hurt us. Looking for a new way to avoid a place where my anger stays at. Time will chase us, the words will hurt us.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. And a huge shout out goes to Rockler for sponsoring this video. Their T-Track table, their router lift, bench cookies, all their products that I use in this build I will link down below. You're definitely gonna wanna go check those out. I have a huge announcement coming up, so be sure to keep an eye out for that video this week. If you follow me on my other socials, you probably already know what's going on. That was a hint. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I post new videos every Monday. And take a few seconds to give it a thumbs up, drop down there, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, and share it around. It really helps me out. All right, thanks for watching. I will see you next week.